Hi everyone, I am Juancho Maliklik, and today's video I will be demonstrating an aerobic exercise called skaters. Before we start, make sure to do warm-ups like jogging or stretching to avoid injuries. Benefits of skaters: strengthen your hips, glutes, and legs while improving your coordination and balance. This exercise will tone your legs and increase your knee strength. Calorie burn around 10 calories per minute depending on intensity. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder length and with your arms down by your sides. While looking forward, jump onto your looking forward. Right foot landing with your right knee. Bend and your left foot behind your right. Swing your left arm in front and your right arm back. Reverse and repeat.
Hi everyone, today I will demonstrate the exercise called jumping lunges. This is a great workout for your legs and help you improve your strength and balance. Before we start, make sure to do short warm up. You can do light jogging or stretching to avoid injury. To begin to proper position, stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Step one foot forward and lower your body into lunge position. Make sure your front knee is bent at 90 degrees and your back knee is close to the ground. Now jump up and switch your legs in the air. When you land, your opposite foot should be in front. Keep your body straight and your core tight. Repeat the movement in a steady rhythm. Tips: always land softly to protect your knees. And benefits: it strengthens your leg muscle like thighs and glutes, improve balance and coordination. It helps increase endurance and stamina.
Hi, my name is Jade. Gagawin namin yung plank jump. Yan. Proceed lang po tayo ng ganito. Tas mo yan.
Please start with push-up position with your hand on the ground and your body straight like a plank. Then you'll quickly bring one knee toward to your chest, while the other leg stay back. After that, you will switch legs rapidly like you're running.
Keep your head up and look forward. While standing on your right leg, bring your left heel as close to your buttocks as you comfortably can while propelling your right arm forward, generating momentum like you would when running. With your back straight, place your hands on the ground in front of you and kick your feet back to enter into a push-up position. Engage your core to keep your back straight and do a push-up. Kick your feet back into starting position, bring your body up and jump up. Get into squat position with your feet slightly leaning forward, swing your arm back to create momentum, and jump forward as fast as you can. Landing softly in a squat position, jog backward to your starting place and repeat.